Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we show you something in the sign and graphic industry in 2 minutes or less. And today we're going to show you what comes with Graphtec's AKZ Kit. So pretend for this video that this is the CE8000. Put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. So before I show you what comes in the box, what is the AKZ Kit for? So this is mostly for discharging static. This is super helpful in automotive. Window tint is the most common application, but tint, chrome, metallics, all of those, it would be helpful to have an AKZ kit and just get rid of some of the static that material naturally generates. So what comes in here is 3 different things. The first one is going to be a 60-degree blade. This comes with a 2-pack in this little box here. That is the blade you're gonna want if you're doing any sort of tint or PPF. The second thing is what they call is a static elastic cord, And what you do with that is you use the third item, which is these magnets here. I'll take them out and show them to you. They come just like this, with a little hole in the middle. So you'll take this elastic cord, run it through that hole, and then these just stick onto the side of your machine just like that. One on this side, one all the way down on that side. Let it drape over the material, and that's going to allow the static to discharge into the machine instead of onto you or your friends or coworkers, whatever you prefer. So that's what comes in the kit. Hopefully that's helpful to show you what's included, why it's needed, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.